how to log in or play multiple accounts in Clash Royale on one device. You can play with multiple accounts on one device by switching your account. Firstly, open the game on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. From these options, select the option Supercell ID. From this interface at the top left corner, you will see a setting gear icon. Click on that. In your settings, click on Switch Account. Then this kind of interface will pop up. Now select the option Log in to Supercell ID and now simply follow the prompts to log in. Here you will need to enter your Supercell ID email. After doing that, verify it and you will be in. Once you are here, click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. In this menu at the very bottom, you will see Supercell ID and right beside that you can see the switch icon. Click on the switch icon and you will see different accounts. Log in to your desired account. That's all for today. Thank you.